do you keep on comparing yourself with others? You are good for who you really are. Kaya some people, they keep on working because they thought that their net worth is their self-worth. Hindi totoo yun. Kaya tayo minsan trabaho ng trabaho, hindi na tayo makapagpahinga. Bakit? Kasi iniisip natin, kailangan tayong kumita ng kumita para umangat yung ating halaga. Hindi totoo. Bakit kamo? Kasi minsan, bata pa lang na narinig natin, wala kang kwenta. Kaya gusto mong patunayan, may kwenta ako. Tama? Hindi mo kailangan patunayan ng halaga mo dahil lahat tayo mahalaga. Just imagine now how important you and I are before God and before men. Who created you? God. Walang pwede mag-create sa ng iba. Nagkakaintindihan? So you're so valuable. Sabi niya, gaano kahalagang kang bibili ng Diyos? He died for you with His priceless blood. And who owns you now? God. Paano mo masasabing wala kang halaga? Pag tinanong ka, wala ka namang kwentang tao. Excuse me, my God died for me.